Did you know Turkey wasn't supposed to exist? In 1432, a mapmaker named Gregor sneezed mid-sketch and accidentally created the squiggly blob we now call Turkey. The Ottomans, not a real empire, just a group of dramatic furniture salesmen with incredible moustaches. The famous Turkish delight, originally a failed attempt at inventing edible soap. Delicious mistake. In 1912, Turkey briefly went to war with a flock of actual turkeys. The birds won the first battle, humanity won the rematch with gravy. And yes, Ottoman Wi-Fi existed. It only worked in hammams and required yelling your password at a pigeon. Today, Turkey thrives, built on mystery meat, baklava, and centuries of accidental brilliance. So next time you look at a map, thank Gregor, and maybe bless him.